Did you know since 1970 the amount of using timber for making furniture has been increased 300% because of increased population and increase the number of housing units. And we all know timber come from forest, and we also know forest is one of the most valuable resources, natural resources in our world. We are lucky that it is a renewable resources, but still if we use recycled wood, repurposed wood, we can keep and save greens for our future world. Making a sustainable interior, we should think for using sustainable timber. Now, what is sustainable timber? Sustainable timber is refers to the timber which harvested responsibly. Even we can use recycled or reclaimed timber which has been repurposed and is perfectly functional. Budget fit recycled timber that comes from demolished old buildings, unused rail yards, old shipping decks, and is cheaper and is perfectly usable as a new wood. And think, this is an easy way you can save another life of a tree. So, what type of wood is best for making interior furniture? First of all, there are two type of woods. One is solid natural wood, one is man-made wood. Today, I am discussing for solid wood. So first we have to see where we live and the availability in our local market for sourcing solid wood. Solid wood is basically non-engineered wood. Any furniture, if your intention is to build with painted finish, then I will suggest you to go for any good normal wood which is cheaper also, like white teak, acacia, mango. But if you are looking to expose the natural nicer beauty of the wood grains, then only you use expensive wood like teak, mahogany. Each wood have unique tone, unique hardness, unique grains and weight. Remember, wood is a living material. It is not inert. It responds to temperature and humidity. So we need to take care of our wood furniture if we live in a country where humidity is much more. Another important points, friends, I would like to discuss with you because I am discussing about sustainability when we make or plan for interior. Nowadays, there are people have a habituate to buy online, buy ready-made from store, but choosing local artisans that also are good options, and thus you help to preserve the craft, the local Indian craftsmanship which passed down for many generations. You have another advantage to choose your local makers. You can inquire the quality, the source of material, the finishing, and any customization, any changes in the first stage of production you can make. They can draw for you, they can design for you, and it will be the best possible lowest price with best artisan you can take to save our nature and make ecologically sustainable furniture for your interior. Thank you, friends, for watching me and giving your time. I hope you will like it and you like my channel Titipschandrani to bring for you another important video next week. Thank you.